Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action where we have been searching towards the 42,000 US dollars, but we are running right now into some resistance. I will be discussing the next major levels of support or resistance where we should be paying attention towards as well. I'm going to go over the 4 hourly candles where we cleared this critical level of previous resistance, and we are literally on the time of recording about to retest this level as support, what is of course extremely bullish for the imminent short term on Bitcoin as well. I'm going to go over, of course, on this different chart here on the 12 hourly candles to, of course, give you a wider view on why this level is so important here. And as well, I'm going to discuss the daily candles where you can see we finally closed our candle above the 40.6k here. And like I've been mentioning several times here, I do expect Bitcoin to climb up towards the 47k anytime soon right now here. And in today's video, I will be explaining how fast and when we're going to see these targets getting reached here. And of course, I'm going to talk here about the altcoin dominance right now retracing towards a very important level of support, what could be signifying a major move for the altcoin. So if you're an altcoin holder as well, I should highly suggest watching this video till the end here. And with this out of the way, guys, let me go right away into today's video, and let me start off with going into the 1 hourly candles here. But before, make sure that you guys are going to smash up that like button. Make sure to make that button blue below on this video here. It would be truly amazing if you can do so, since it is only taking a few seconds of your time here, and you will be meaning the world for me here. So with that out of the way, let me go right away into the video. So let's look at Bitcoin and let's see what we're currently having here. So if I'm of course drawing this trend line on the top side, you could be clearly seeing that we are topping out each and every time here on this resistance line on the top side. And if we're drawing this important supportive line here on the lower side, you can see that we are finding clear support every single touch point of the lower side over here. So it looks to be that we're trading in a very significant parallel channel here, and usually once we're trading in parallel channels, like you can see already over here, is that the middle of the parallel channel is providing you either very strong support or very strong resistance. So personally, what is very likely to happen here is maybe to see Bitcoin decrease back towards the middle line of the parallel channel after then moving up once again here. And of course, what will be very important for Bitcoin to flip extremely bullish here is a breakthrough of the top side of resistance, and what will be of course extremely bearish is a breakdown here of the supportive line here. So we will be of course looking at sideways towards upside momentum here for Bitcoin as soon as we're starting to break one of these resistance lines, either on the top side or here on the lower side. I can't really call a direction that Bitcoin is going to start moving more down, or Bitcoin starting to move even more up from there on. So yeah, it looks quite interesting, and after consolidating for a while here around the 40k range, we finally start to move up. So that's of course beautiful to see here. So there are some things that are concerning me a little bit here. So, I mean, if we're looking to the previous high that we got created over here, we are not forming a bearish divergence, what is of course extremely lovely to see here. So there's currently no bearish divergence getting created here, since of course, yeah, we have been setting a higher high on the RSI and a higher low here, higher high on the price chart and a higher high on the RSI, giving us a very healthy trend here. But however, if I'm going to approach the 4 hourly candles here, I am seeing once again here that we are still forming clearly lower highs and still in the price chart higher highs here. So this is still concerning me ever so slightly here, since we are once again creating another bearish divergence here on the RSI. But like I already told everyone before, we can create several bearish divergences and still move up from there on here. So yeah, looking pretty exciting here, and I definitely can't wait to see where we're heading towards as well if we're approaching this level here. And let me go into the different chart here to discuss this level a little bit more in depth here, and to go into the 12-hourly candle. So you can see this orange box over here that we are right now having almost got a retest on here, and where we got rejected previously on, it is basically this box here, but right now it's on the 12 hourly candles. And you can see very clearly here on the left side, it provided us a very strong resistance. Over here as well on the 17th of June, provided us very strong resistance, and right now once again it provided us resistance. But literally a few hours ago we started to close a 12-hour, a daily candle, a 4-hourly candle above this critical level of the orange box. And we are right now, of course, officially confirmed a breakthrough of it. And since we have been seeing a breakthrough of this important resistance line, guys, we are looking to, of course, increase very quickly in valuation, since there has been not a lot of trading volume going around on these stages. Like, you can see it over here. Let me enable the Let me see over here. Let me enable the visible range here. And of course, if we're enabling the visible range, we can see how much volume is getting traded on each and every level here. And you can see right now on the right side here of the screen here, if we're looking to the right side of the screen, you can see on this level around the 45 towards 40k here, there has been basically not a lot of trading volume getting traded here. And if we're zooming out as well on this chart, you can see over here, the only trading volume that we had is over here, the big pump from Tesla, and of course the drop off that we got over here. And basically these two pumps on this range over here were basically very quick increases or very quick drop-offs. So what means that there is not a lot of trading volume getting, of course, traded around that level. What as well means that Bitcoin could be surging very quickly towards our next resistance target around the 45k here. And to be very honest, the 47k will be my personal target, since of course the volume resistance will be really starting to kick in from there on the 47.5k. So personally, I do expect a very rapid increase in valuation. I as well already tweeted about it here on my Twitter page, and I was saying I do expect Bitcoin to trade around the 47k here, around next week or so here. So yeah, make sure that you are of course paying attention towards it, and you can be already follow me here on Twitter if you want to be staying up to date about all these updates I'm giving over here as well here. Like, I'm giving these updates about the parallel channel that we're right now seeing, of course, the altcoin dominance, where I will be going into in a second here, and as well some Ethereum updates if you're as well interested in Ethereum. So make sure to hit that follow button at Rover CRC on Twitter if you want to be, of course, follow me as well and stay up to date about all these market signals at the real time here. So as well, let me go further in towards it, since I'm personally expecting these levels above me to act as resistance, since of course these were previous levels of very major support. So let me right away zoom in ever so slightly for you guys, so you can see over here. This red line over here was providing previous very strong support over here. And of course, if we are continuing this line over here, you can see the 44.8k will be my level that I will be looking at to maybe take some profits or maybe find some resistance in. And maybe you're saying, why should you be taking profits here? What is your next accumulation zone? So for me, I will be waiting. I've been not in a position yet here, since I did not got the opportunity yet. I will be waiting for a retracement towards the 40.6k here, and there will be the exact same on the 40.6k. I will be opening my new long position. So if we're going to retrace back towards the 40.6k, my long position will be activated. And of course, once activating my long position, I will be keeping everyone up to date here once again on my Twitter page. And if you want to be joining me as well with this long position here, of course, I based it on my personal opinion. I based it on my personal and my own research here. So if you want to be joining me, you could be doing for sure, but of course you have to know this is not financial advice there. And if you want to be joining me, you can be already signing up here with Bybit in the link in the description. You're getting a $2,000 deposit bonus, and it will be truly amazing if you're going to use my affiliate link here. So you will be either supporting the channel, and you will be helping yourself out to get some extra rewards over there. So make sure to check it out in the description here to sign up already. And Bybit is for sure the most used exchange here, since of course it's very reliable, and of course it has the most handled volume. So looking forward towards this next trading opportunity. And as well, let me go a little bit further in towards it, since of course the 4 hourly candles, I do want to be seeing this retrace towards the 40.6k here. And if we're not going to see that, I will be of course just staying on the sidelines and waiting for the next opportunity, what you really want to be paying attention towards as well here. So you can see very important breakthrough here. I'm very glad that we are finally seeing this, and I am really expecting this move towards the upside in a very quick pace here. So let me as well discuss this very important chart here for all the altcoin holders here, since of course, guys, this is the chart of the altcoin dominance, not the Bitcoin dominance. No, the altcoin dominance. And what you can see, if you're looking very clear towards the past here, you can see blue box, previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance. And right now we are trading above it, and we could be retesting it as support. And this looks very similar like this, of course, over here. And maybe we're not going to, maybe we're going to see it set once again lower high, but at least I do expect a bounce from here on. So how could you be anticipating this? Of course, this is just purely anticipation of course, altcoins moving up here. So you could be adding some more altcoins to your portfolio rather than some Bitcoin right now on this exact moment of recording here. So looking really forward towards this opportunity here as well. What you can see over here, upward sloping supportive line here. This upward sloping supportive line could be, of course, providing us very strong support, since this was previous resistance. I do believe that this is a major level to pay attention towards. You can see as well the tops are providing clear resistance from previous support, and right now we're seeing previous resistance flip into support. So yeah, very high opportunities here. Opportunities are running pretty high right now here, and you could be of course accumulating a beautiful position here in your altcoin. So guys, this was it for today's video. Make sure that you are going to smash up that like button. It will be of course highly appreciated if you're going to do so. We are going to pay more attention towards this altcoin dominance chart here in the coming days here as well. Approximately next week I'm home again, and after I'm home once again, I'm going to do every single day another live stream here. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes on the channel here. Make sure that you're ringing the bell notification right now as well here, so you're not going to miss out on these important update videos here. So with this out of the way, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.